Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the phone and initiating the update. First, make sure the Redmi 12 5G is charged to at least 50% and on stable Wi-Fi so the download won't drop. Next, backup photos, contacts, and important files to your cloud or a PC. This preserves data if something unexpected happens. Once done, open Settings, go to About Phone right arrow MIUI version or System Update, and tap Check for Updates to start downloading the OTA package. You'll now manage the installation and monitor its progress. After the OTA downloads, review the release notes so you know what changes and whether any carrier-specific steps apply. Make sure battery saver is off and the phone remains plugged in. Avoiding reboots during installation prevents failures. Tap Install and let the phone reboot automatically. You'll see a progress indicator and several reboots may occur. If prompted for permissions or a PIN after restart, enter them to complete setup and let the system optimize apps. You'll finish by validating the update and fixing any issues. Once the phone boots, confirm the new MIUI build in Settings right arrow About Phone and test core apps, calls, Wi-Fi, and cameras to ensure everything works. If an app misbehaves, clear its cache or reinstall it. This often resolves compatibility glitches. If the update failed or the device is stuck, re-download the OTA and retry, or boot to recovery and apply update from internal storage. As a last resort, use the My Flash tool.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.